last tax cut. Reward too much. Yeah, you just gotta catch folks by surprise. Can't be regular. Can't be routine. What's going on, guys?
How are you, sir? Nice to see you.
You know, it's good to be out.
I bet.
The bear is loose. You didn't expect having all these folks take a picture. It's for your birthday? Happy birthday. You're having a good visit. Thank you. Thank you. How you doing? How's business? Business doing all right?
Yeah, it's all right.
What's your name?
My name is Anne.
Good to see you. That was my mother's name, so I like
it.
it. We appreciate the service. I'll bet he was. Where you guys? In Ireland. Well, it'll be a wonderful, wonderful ceremony. Yeah, my grandfather was buried in the National Cemetery in Pacific, and I still remember the ceremony and the flag and the tabs. Still chokes me up every time. What's your name? Cora.
Cora.
You're Cora? How old are you, Cora?
7.
7? And what's your name? Ramona. How old are you? You got your American flag?
Ramona. 4.5. 4 3/4.
4 3/4. Well, we got some special White House M&Ms for you. You can't come away empty-handed. Hey! What's going on, guys?
America! Freedom! Peace! Hope and charity! President, how are you? I'm Dan Bishop.
Dan, good to see you.
Can we get a picture with you?
Good to see you.
Camden.
Good to see you, Camden. Brandon. Camden, Brandon. Anna. Good to see you.
Are you real?
Yes, I am. I'm not wax. Yeah. How are you? What's your name? Good to see you, Patrick.
Oh my
Nice
God.
to meet you. I'm Ryan.
Good to see you, Ryan. How are
I'm
you?
here and I'm so
Good to see
excited.
you. Well, give me a hug.
Oh.
I'm glad you're excited.
Oh,
I'm
can we
excited.
can I get a picture?
Yes, you
oh
can.
Oh my gosh, it's like the best day of my life. Oh,
Yeah, you got to get in there,
oh
right?
come on, Ryan.
Come on.
Oh, Pat, do you want one too?
Come on, Pat. I'll get it. He'll take it. He'll take it.
Oh my
Come
gosh.
on.
Someone's going to think you're like wax.
Good to see you guys. Sorry to mess up your run.
It's okay.
Good to see you. You guys were right in the middle. You could be running in place right now. Come on over. Come on.
Sorry.
No problem. Hey guys, sorry to hold you up for going. Are you trying to go home? And here I am messing you up. Drew, I'm trying to stay loose, man. All right.
Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis. Okay, I'll call you Mr. Lewis.
Steve.
Good to see you.
David.
Good to see you. Are you there, Junior?
Yes.